friends, here's a story about trucks. 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 Trucks do all kinds of jobs. They do farm work, they help build buildings and roads. They help fight fires, they deliver mail, they transport food, clothing, furniture, toys, and books. The trucks are specially designed to carry heavy loads. The front of this truck is powered by a steel bumper and grille. Trucks come in all shapes and sizes. Some trucks are bigger than the biggest dinosaur that ever lived. The trucks can weigh as much as 10 elephants put together. This giant truck can carry a house to a new building site. Can you imagine moving a house? This is a log truck. A log truck carries cut up tree trunks. The logs are held in place by a metal pole and cable. The truck brings the logs to a sawmill. A crane picks up the logs with a steel jaw and stacks them into a huge pile. At the sawmill, the bark is stripped from the logs and the logs are cut into wood boards called lumber. Here's a cement mixer. It does turn round and round. A cement mixer carries the cement used to make roads and buildings. The mixer drum contains concrete, which is a mixture of cement, sand, and water. As the truck is driven to the construction site, the drum slowly moves and turns to prevent the wet cargo from setting. The drum turns in one direction when the concrete is being mixed. The drum tilts up and turns in the other direction when it is poured out. This is a telescoping forklift truck. A telescoping forklift truck lifts building materials such as steel beams and bricks from the ground. The forklift has prongs like a fork. The operator slides the prongs under the object to be raised and moved. This telescoping arm adjusts to different height. It can reach as high as the top of a small building. Some forklift trucks have gasoline engines. Smaller forklift trucks may be powered by an electrical battery. Here's a dump truck. Look at that. Isn't that cool? A dump truck carries heavy construction material from one place to another. Power machines use large clamshell jaws to load a dump truck with rocks, earth, gravel, or sand. A dump truck that size can carry dirt that weighs more than 100 people put together. When the truck reaches its destination, the driver raises the load carrier and dumps out the cargo exactly where it is needed. Here is a semi-truck. Look how large that is. A semi-trailer truck is sometimes just called a semi. It has two parts, the tractor unit and the trailer. The tractor unit contains the engine and the cab. The engine is much more powerful than the engine even of the biggest car. The cab is where the driver sits. Some cabs have a bed behind the front seat, so the driver on a long trip can pull off the road and go to sleep. The trailer unit, which can be 8 or more wheels, attaches to the tractor unit. It carries all kinds of cargo from fruits and vegetables to TV sets and computers. Down here is a flatback truck. But what is it carrying? This flatbed truck is carrying a space shuttle to launch at Kennedy Space Center. Flatbed trucks can carry loads that would not fit into a box-shaped trailer, such as other trucks, tractors, boats, houses, and airplanes. On public roads, a flatbed truck carries an oversized load traveling slowly, escorted by cars traveling in front and behind. The escort cars carry signs that tell other drivers to be careful. The load is on a truck. That's pretty cool. And here is a tractor. The tractor pulls a spray through the rows of crops on a farm. It is a fast way to spray crops with fertilizer, which help plants grow, or insecticides, which get rid of the insects that may feed on the plants. The tractors pull many different farm machines, including plows, seeders, grass cutters, and hay bales. Here's a school bus. Buses are trucks that are specially designed to carry passengers. School buses take students back and forth between their homes and schools. They have safety warning lights, stop signs, and flags that operate when the bus stops to pick up children. Some are also equipped with safety devices such as seat belts to make passengers as safe as possible. Here's a tanker truck. This tanker truck carries liquid petroleum or oil. Other tanker trucks carry gasoline from refineries to gas stations and heating oil from oil storage tanks to homes. A refrigerated tanker truck carries milk from dairy farms to milk processing and boiling plants and bottling plants. Sometimes trucks on long distances trips put two tankers that are attached to each other. So there's two together. Wow. Here's a fire engine platform truck. Fire trucks are designed to perform many different functions. The fire engine platform truck shoots water onto a burning building. Firefighters stand on the raised platform. The water hose is attached to a long arm or boom at the top of the platform. Another hose from the back is attached to a nearby water hydrant. A pumping engine in the truck increases the pressure so that the water can reach far and high into the air. Firefighters climb the extended ladder on an aerial ladder truck to rescue people from the burning buildings. Searchlight unit trucks are used to light the building at night. A sanitation truck. Sanitation trucks collect garbage and refuse. When spitting with rotating brushes, they can also be used to clean the streets. Some sanitation trucks, called sprinklers, contain water tanks that are large enough to wash down a road. When it snows, sanitation trucks are filled with snowplows. They push the snow aside and clear the roads. Here's a road train truck. A road train truck pulls 3 or 4 trailers at the same time, just the way a locomotive pulls freight trains on the cars. Road train trucks transport cargo in places where the distance between the cities is enormous, meaning it's too big. The trailers on the road train are attached to each other. They can carry and bend around curves. That's pretty awesome. Here's a monster truck. This powerful monster truck crushes cars at a truck show. Each monster truck is unique because it's built by hand from other trucks and spare parts. Some monster trucks weigh as much as 5 elephants and have tires that are taller than a person. You can imagine what happens when a monster truck leaps across a row of cars and lands on the cars. Squash! Something. Trucks push, pull, they dig and dump, they sweep and shovel, they carry and crush. Every day and everywhere. Aren't trucks amazing? Bye, friends.